Okay, so this is my first vlog ever, so bear with me. So today I just went to the mall. It was supposed to be me and my cousin and my daughter, but my cousin, she got mixed up and went to the wrong mall, so whatever. So I was just going to MAC to get one thing, one eyebrow pencil. I went, they were having the Mac is Beauty event, which they asked me to sign up for because I go in there so much. And I was like, nah, I'm not gonna sign up because I usually have school on that day. Ended up skipping school today, came to the mall, but still I did not participate in the event. So I went down and walked through the mall, went to Sephora, went looking for something to do my eyebrows with. So I decided to try the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. And then they had some stuff on sale, some different glitter liners and stuff. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy them, you know, try them, do some different looks with them. Bought a couple other things out of Sephora, and I noticed I spent like $100. I'm like, I only got 6 things. You know, I didn't buy any eyeshadow palettes, so why is my bill $100? Walked out the store, checked my account, checked my receipt, and said I bought some contour kit. Look in my bag, there was no contour kit. So I was like, I don't recall buying no contour kit, and if I did, it's not in my bag. She was like, I don't know how this happened. So they overcharged me. So if you shop at Sephora, double check your receipts just in case. I don't know if this was just an isolated incident or whatever, but check your receipts, especially if you know you didn't spend that much money. So after that, went back in, and by the way, I made VIB. Woo-hoo. So I made VIB and got all my little goodies and whatever from that, and I had a bunch of points, so I got my free gift today. And I still have a bunch of points left because I didn't use all of them, but I'll use them eventually. Ended up going to MAC, talking to my favorite people at MAC, Bobby and Christian. And I talked to them and ended up buying 2 lipsticks. I was going to buy more, but since they had the event going on, it was a lot of people over there, so I did not get to buy what I wanted to. I was trying to look at the new palettes that they just released, and I didn't get to. And the guy that was there wanted to do my hair. I was like, oh no, you can't do my hair. He was like, you look like you woke up like this. I was like, thanks, boo. But anyways, I had so much fun today. Now we are going somewhere to eat. My daughter wants Chick-fil-A. I have had Chick-fil-A like 3 or 4 times this week, and I am Chick-fil-A'd out. So I guess we'll try like Zaxby's or something. Who knows? But I hope you all are enjoying this Friday. I am, even though I have to go to work soon. What time is it? It is 1:30. I don't have to be to work till 5, but